I became a councillor because I wanted to give back to my local community. I grew up here, I want to grow old here, and I want to give back to the people that made me who I am today. What I love about being a councillor in Pembrokeshire is being able to stand up for people and being able to stand up to the values that I hold dear and the people in my community. I think having a voice is such an important thing, and being in this position enables you to use it. What inspires me about this job is the ordinary people that do extraordinary things in my community and the place where I live. My name's Joshua Bainan and I'm the County Councillor for Pembroke Dock, Lannion. So if you are someone that has potential, that sees that things can change, don't ever think that it's too little or that it won't make a difference, because all those little things together turn into massive change that works for the betterment of the community.